Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you wanted to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you got to do is use the links in the description if you wanted to get one of these for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. I want to show you how to replace your side view mirror in case you break it or it gets damaged. You have a couple different kind of mirrors. Some are power and heated. Some are power and heated and have a side view blinker. Some are power and heated, have a blinker, and also have the side impact detection logo on the bottom right. So you have to make sure you get the right mirror for your car. You're going to know this very simply. If you turn your blinker on and this lights up, that means you have a blinker. If you have a power button, that means that it is power. If it is heated, if it has a little switch and this heats up, then you know it's heated. And if you have a little orange logo that lights up when a car pulls up alongside you, then you know you have the side impact protection. I'm going to pop this off. You could pull this out like this. I'm actually going to reuse this because it is painted. Just open up the door and take a plastic trim removal tool. You don't want to scratch the paint. This should pop right out. These are 10 millimeters, so really easy to do. Just get your 10 millimeter socket and loosen these up. Make sure you hold the mirror so it doesn't fall on the ground. Take out the last bolt. Of course, they're going to make it a little bit harder on this one. I didn't realize what you have to do is you have to actually take the door panel off too. Take your pry tool right here. Just pry this. Come right out. Take your trim tool right here, stick it in the side, it pops right up. Unplug these two switches. Two switches come out. Take out this Phillips screw right here. It comes out. Just make sure you don't break it. Just gently pry it back and turn it, and it should come out. That's it. Do not take out this one or this one because that holds the door together. Grab the bottom of the panel, pull out, it's going to pop, and then all you got to do is just lift up on it, and you are good to go. Here's the wire for the mirror. Just push that in and pull this up. That disconnects that. Put this back up on the ledge and just rest it on there so it's not pulling on the wires holding it in. Your mirror came out very easily. If you want, you could take a little bit of soap and water and just clean around this area. It's totally up to you. Of course, as you can see, we've got a perfect fit. So make sure you just hold this so it doesn't fall down and you don't break this one. And then you can go ahead and start reinstalling your screws. Make sure you put these 3 bolts in, 1, 2, 3, nice and tight. Plug in the new wire. When you put the door panel back on, just make sure that goes in the space there. Easiest way to make sure your door panel is lined up is making sure this screw hole lines up behind the handle. If you have all those holes lined up, tap the back of your hand. That's it. Then what you want to do is replace your screw here and your 2 screws in here, and you are done. When you put your trim piece back in, make sure you put the bottom in first because it has a hook on the bottom. So just slide that in. Once you get that properly aligned and you have the top aligned, then you can just make sure it's in. It feels like it's in. Just give it a tap. That's it. It's all done. Just plug these back in. Once you have these plugged in, just take this and put it back down. Push that back down. That's back installed. So all you got to do is grab the handle, open it up, take the front, put the front in first towards the front of the car. Once you get that, just push it in. You'll feel it snap. That's it. Good to go. Take this last trim panel right here and snap it in like so. There are 2 little tabs right here, one here and one here. There's 2 holes. And what these do, these basically put the rubber gasket up against the mirror, the new mirror. So what you want to do is feel this, figure out where it is. It's a little tab like so. And make sure you just stick it in its slot. You'll feel it pop in. Once it goes in, you're good. This is basically just a tiny little black clip. What you want to do is take this clip, just put it through here like so. Little hole right there. I'll fold it back so you can see. It just goes inside like that. Just take it and push it inside. You'll feel it snap in. And make sure the other bottom one's in, and you're good to go. That basically just holds the molding, the weather stripping up against the mirror so that no water gets inside the car. As you can see, our LED is working and we are good to go. I really hope this video helped you out. Again, I'm going to leave links down in the description if you wanted to get one of these for yourself. Make sure to click that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you have any questions or comments in the section down below. Thanks again for watching. Take care.